Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix screen rotation not working on Edge 90 Fusion. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, restart device, just click and hold side power button and volume up button at the time. You will see restart device from here. After restart device, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system. After click on system, click on reset option. After click on reset option, click on reset all settings. After click on reset all settings, you will see after the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it still not solved, click on settings app, scroll down and click on scroll down and click on search software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix screen rotation not working on Edge. Some Edge 90 Fusion. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.